There's a moment every crypto holder reaches that point where you look at your coins sitting on an exchange or inside a browser extension and think, maybe this shouldn't stay here. And that moment usually comes after hearing one too many stories about lost funds, sudden freezes, or someone clicking the wrong link. And that's where a Dcent enters the picture. It starts with a small device in your hand, solid, simple and built to keep your keys offline. Now the company behind it created two different devices for people who want stronger protection for their crypto. Now the first device is the Biometric Wallet. You hold it, place your finger on the sensor and it springs to life. No one else can open it. Your fingerprint acts as the gatekeeper and inside the device your private keys stay locked away from the internet. A bright display and physical buttons, like here, guide you through every step. From checking balances to confirming transfers, everything stays in your control. Now the second device is their card wallet. It's thin like a regular bank card, the kind that you can just slip into a pocket without noticing it. Now when you tap it to your phone, it wakes up and lets you move your crypto or check your NFTs. It's sort of the tool people use when they want something light and easy to carry. And there's something I really want to emphasize in this video. So yeah, I made this video to put a spotlight on Dcent in this upcoming Black Friday season in the hopes you guys will use my link so I can earn a small commission. But it's also one of the hardware wallets I practically use every single day for the past 1.5 years. Now, it has never failed me and it has never shown me any issues, and it has always helped me to store my crypto in a secure way. I traveled around the world with their card without any questions or problems. It's one of those things you will have on you that you won't even think about anymore, but one of the things you need to have to make sure your crypto stays in your own custody. So both of these devices share one purpose: to pull your crypto keys away from online risks and to keep them in your hands, where they belong. As we move into the Black Friday season, Dcent opens their yearly Black Friday sale as well. From November 20th to December 3rd, prices dropped across their lineup, including their bundles. It's a window of time when many people decide to switch from online wallets to hardware option. And you can get a significant discount using the link in my description. And it also gives you access to their best deals during the sale period as long as their stock holds. And once you get your wallet, the story isn't finished, because the next steps matter. You'll open the box and set up the device for the first time. Now I made a dedicated video on their products and I'll be sure to link both of them at the end of this one. And that way you'll be able to see and learn how to set up their card wallet and their biometric wallet. Now you can connect the wallet to the official Dcent app, update the firmware, and from that moment forward you can load up your crypto, which will stay offline unless you choose otherwise. And that's the whole point of this video, to help you move from trust to self-custody, from risk to control. So if you're thinking about taking that step, getting yourself a hardware wallet, then check out the links in the description. Now the Black Friday sale is the best time to pick one up, and the discount through my link makes the deal even better. Now if you have any questions about choosing between the two models or setting one up, feel free to ask me, because I'm here to help. Now that's it for now, and I'll see you next time. Doei!